Good morning. Welcome to E-mini Futures by Sell.com. This is Balasubramanian Iyer welcoming you on 7th of May 2017. This video we're going to do a trade by trade review of each of our swing trade signals, how the system operates. I want to go into detail and I want to demonstrate the product in all details. And before I do that, Jay, if you're listening, there was a question asked by Jay regarding entry price. I'm going to focus on that first. You see, when we say entry price market, what do we mean? What I mean is every day this Excel file giving the swing trade signals are sent out every day in the evening after market closes. So I'm in New York Eastern Standard Time. So after 6 o'clock, around 7 o'clock, I perform my analysis and then I send out the Excel file to clients worldwide. And when I say market, what I am recommending is I'm asking you, the client, to enter at market price. Now, I don't know each one of you when you are entering. So for example, let's take gold as an example, okay? And this applies to all the other signals. Gold on 24th of April was around 1280 price at 8 p.m. and that is around that time I sent the Excel file. I think actually I sent it before 745, so before 1280 price. Then gold dropped from that 1280 price I'm giving the futures price, okay? On 24th of April, as of Friday, gold dropped to 1221. So you had like a 60 point range, which is what I'm saying, winning point, 60 point. Now, it is impossible for me to track who is entering when and at what market price. I may enter at 8 o'clock. I may have even entered, I will tell you what I did, but before that, just because I'm sending out the swing trade signal, it does not mean, first of all, that I'm entering or you have to enter on the same day. Because some of you are not opening the Excel file in your email until the next day. You give all kinds of excuses why you're doing that. But that's not the point. What I'm trying is each one of you has a different market price at which you're entering. But the key point is this is a swing trade. This trade is valid for weeks. We're not talking, this is not a day trade. So it doesn't matter at what market price you're entering, whether you're entering on the same day or the next day, the trade is still winning. So the gold sell trade had a 60 point range to make money. So maybe based on the market price, you entered, you got 20 points, I got 30 points, somebody else got 10 points. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it's a winning trade. The way you should evaluate these signals is, if the signal date cannot change, by the way, this is sent out in Excel, black and white, legal timestamp is there. I can't fudge it. I can't now look at the chart and change the date and make it a winning signal. It's a fraud. In any case, I cannot do it even if I want to. Why? Because I'm putting a legal timestamp, I'm signing the email, and I'm sending it by email to global clients all over the world. So you have in your inbox the Excel file with the timestamp. So nobody can fudge it, okay? And all you have to do is where was gold on 24th of April after market close, and where is gold today? So was the trade a profitable trade? Was the trade a winning trade, losing trade? That's how you should evaluate. Jay, you should not be obsessed with the market price. Now, what I'm saying is, and by the way, even if you don't enter on the same day at market, let's say you enter at market on the next day or even after 2 days, you can still make money. For example, the British pound, I gave a buy on 16th of April 2017. Now, even if you did not enter the pound buy on 16th of April on the same day, let's say you entered on the 17th or you entered on the 18th or you entered on you still made money because the pound is still going higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. And I have added more position size, and I'm going to hold this pound trade for a long time. I believe that the British pound will go higher and higher and higher. I'm very bullish on the pound. Okay, so you have lot of time to make money. So this is not a day trade. Okay, how many times I have to tell you, Jay, can you listen? Can you open your ears and listen for a change? So what I'm trying to tell you and others is don't get obsessed with the market price. In fact, You may even get a better price if you enter 1 or 2 days later. You may actually make more money because the market would have suffered a pullback. Okay, now some of you are maybe asking, no, when you say market, we want to know at what price you got filled. Now listen, this is not an IRS audit here. The purpose of this Excel file is to give you swing trade signals. We are not trying to do an IRS audit, tax audit, who got filled at what price. At what price I entered the pound trade, honestly I do not even know, because I've been adding positions and my average cost is different now. So the second thing is, just because I'm giving a signal on all those market doesn't mean I have taken a trade on all of them. No, not necessarily. Some of them, within this I decide which one, and sometimes I don't enter on the same day. Like for example, the US dollar yen, I think I probably on 25th of April, for various reasons I did not enter. I had some internet issues. I think I entered the market early morning on 26th. If I remember correctly, yeah, but still there was money to be made. So that's the hopefully the long lecture on market price. I'm asking you to enter at market either same day or next day. It doesn't matter at what price you enter, you still make money, and I'll prove it to you. Okay, first thing is crude oil. Let me start by advertising a loser. We did not give a sell, which I should have. So that was a goof up or a blunder on my part. Second, again advertising a loser first. Canadian dollar mega short. Again, we forgot to give you a sell. So these are two big mistakes on my part. Okay, now let's look at gold. 24th of April, I told you. It is still valid. I think the gold will go to 1200 or maybe even lower. Now you see, between 24th of April and now, gold has dropped from 1280 to 1221. It already hit the 1221.22 price. It is now going sideways. So our logic is, no matter where you entered in this period, you made money. We delivered money on this trade. That's how we give it, and everything is being spoon fed to you on a plate. We are putting the cake, we are putting the spoon. Don't ask me to come and put the cake in your mouth. At least that much work you should do. Okay, so this is a massive, fantastic, smashing, winning trade, the gold trade, 60 points. Same on copper. On 25th of April, either you entered at market on 25th of April in the evening or on 26th of morning. You can pull up the chart and see copper had a phenomenal move up. So it was a winning trade. The trade has been closed now. Natural gas sideways, we are not giving any signal. Canadian dollar, I already told you what happened. Aussie dollar, we gave a sell on the 25th. Again, the same logic, no matter when you entered. Aussie dollar, you can pull up the chart between 25th of April and May the 7th. The Aussie dollar is tanking, going down, 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 down. So it's a massive winning, smashing, winning trade. Okay, no matter at what market price you enter. Okay. So similarly, GBP USD, 16th of April, I gave a buy and I have been adding to my position. This is a more than 500 pip trade profit and is still winning. Now, it does not, whatever market price you may have, based on your market price, you got 200, somebody got 300, somebody got 100, somebody got 400 pips. But bottom line is, it's a winning trade. So and don't ask me like an IRS auditor at what price you enter. That's none of your business. You concentrate on your trading. Okay. Second thing is euro US dollar. 24th of April was a trade. We gave a signal on the evening. All signals are sent out in the evening on the same day around 7 p.m. And you can see between 24th of April, almost 1000 pips the euro has gone up, and we are still bullish. The French election, I'm betting Macron will win and euro will go up even higher. So again, this is a super win trade. How much money each client made depends on their market price. At what price each one of you got filled. I can't be putting for 1,000 clients at what price they entered. I don't know. And why should I disclose at what market price I'm entering? That's none of your business. Okay, you focus on your profit and loss. My job is to deliver winning signals. That's my responsibility. My job is not to make you an IRS auditor here. Okay. Similarly, US dollar, Japanese yen, 25th of April, buy signal. Super winning trade. From 110 euro yen, US dollar yen has gone to 113. Huge winning trade. So no matter where you entered, you made money. And I'm also disclosing every day whether the trade is open or closed. I'm giving all the information. I'm giving stop loss. I'm giving target. I'm giving everything. The only thing I'm not providing is at what market price I got filled. But that's not required, because this is a swing trade valid for weeks. You can enter the same day evening, or you can enter the next day. You will still make money. Pull up the chart, you will be convinced. Okay, I'm not going to waste time showing you one by one on each chart what happened. GBP JPY, same thing. 24th April we said buy, and every day we are keeping the trade open. And the GBP JPY has gone up from 141 to 146. That's a massive range. So are you telling me no matter when you entered, whether you entered on 24th, you entered on 25th, you entered on 26th, you made money? There is no way, heaven on earth, that you could not have made money at GBP. Look at the chart of GBP JPY. Phenomenal, super winning trade. We did a brilliant job. There's no question about it. Same thing with euro yen. Buy on 25th of April. Again, after market close, we send the signal. We're giving the stop. We're giving target 1. Same thing. Euro yen has gone up from 121 to 124. And no matter where you entered in this range, you made money. Now, don't tell me the signal was sent on 25th. I only entered on 2nd of May. Come on. If you are so lazy, I'm not responsible. What I mean is you should enter on the same day or the very next day. That's the logic, common sense. Okay. So that's a huge winning trade. Similarly, the 30-year bond ZB, we gave a sell on 25th. You were assuming you entered on 26th. If this trade is winning, it's still open. Very nice profit. Check the chart. Open the chart and see. If you entered, if you shorted bond either on 25th or 26th, you're making money. Check it for yourself. Same 2nd of May, we said HYG ETF sell. So assuming you entered on 3rd of May after market open, this is again in profit. So market opens at 9:30 at HYG. So on 3rd of May, you pull up the chart and see HYG dropped from 87.9 to 87.3. It's a winning trade. That's how the calculations are done. Same with EFA. Just now, today I'm giving a buy. The price on Friday closed 65.6. Now let's say you enter EFA tomorrow at the market open. Let us track it. I've given the stop loss. I've given the target. Let's watch where we go. So I don't know. Tomorrow I'm going to enter, and I don't know what price I'll enter. But that's the whole idea. Okay. So when I say market, it means either you enter the very same day or the very next day. Try to enter, and even if you enter 1 day or 2 days later, sometimes it may be advantageous. You will get a better fill, and you will in fact make more money. Just because I enter on the same day and you enter 1 day later, it doesn't mean that I make more money. No, it can be opposite, because market can go anywhere in this time gap. But if you delay for 2-3 days and the market has already made a 1,000 pip move, yeah, that's dumb. You got to use your common sense how you manage your trade. Okay, so again, to summarize, we have reviewed all the signals. We delivered on most of the signal. I've shown you one by one how the system is. We don't waste time with technical analysis and all that mumbo jumbo. We deliver on a plate or an Excel file. We are transparent, legal, timestamp, ethical. We are giving you all the detail. We are giving you the signal date. We are giving you the stop loss. We give you the target. We are telling you if the trade is open or closed. We are advising you to enter at market price either on the same day or the next day. So, and no matter at what price you enter, as long as you enter at market either the same day or the next day, you are making money. Pull up the chart, you will be convinced. Okay, hopefully, Jay, you are convinced by now how we operate. Okay, so God bless you all. Bye for now.